My name is Michael Trost from the company Eronius. I'm the CEO of this company, and our solution is, or our business is make for the manufacturing, for automation system, for robot systems. And this robot system I use normally as handling systems for milling, drilling, and manufacturing for some components. It's here. You can see it our hardware and software solution. You can see some small robot system from the company Fano. Have our IPC, some industry controller from our company, and have some easy hardware interface as an example in this case, this exposition. Our interface and our hardware solution, it's a standardization and it's a set with our software. It's it's not only buy or get some software, it's also get a full system with a robot, with an electrician, with a controller, and mechanic and electrician. In this screen you can see it our software solution for our hardware components. It means I have a full control about our hardware. It means I have a configuration, possibility for configuration. I can put some sensory like a light. You can see this behind to me. It's like this is a light and have a button function. I can implement it by myself in our software control. It means I have a hardware interface and I can select it. I can connect it the wire to this plug-in. And I can say, okay, you are digital input, digital output, and can give them a configuration. The next step is I want testing my configuration. For example, I will check it. I will check it. The light it's on. Yeah. Now I make some testing. The circle. I can also give him, for example, a red flashing. Now it's the light is flashing, and now I can see, okay, is everything okay for me? It's work. In the next step, I can create it my wire to a logic function. Yeah. Because now I have only digital inputs, outputs, lights, or I have a robot. One is not smart. He don't know anything about what he can doing, what he can have is his job. With these things, I can give him our own job, or our own logic. Yeah. It's meaning I have on my left screen, I have conditions, and these conditions I can make some small, easy logic. It's meaning I have my sensoric and I can pushing drag and drop from the editor inside, and I can say, okay, it's this condition happen. For example, I'm pushing the button. Then the next things is like I can give the robot a job instruction. Also, I can give the robot some information about, okay, this condition it's everything right and everything good, and he will move it, for example. With this easy instruction editor, I have a maximum flexibility for my automatic systems. Yeah. It's meaning in this case it's something different as on another process. I can change it by myself anytime and with my own wire or my own sensoric, I can choose it by myself. and I have the full control and flexibility of the system. For example, I can give him a full job. It's mean a job, it's a full set with movement from with robot, with this air pressure system, and I can do all parallel and do together. I will start it, and now the robot it's work. And for example, in this test case, when I'm pushing this button, the light will on and the robot will move it. When I want to change this condition, for example, it's not good enough more for me, or I want to changing the color, I can do this every time.